Ready to go? Where are we going? Freedom fucking Factory.
Freedom Factory.
What do we got? We got the whole gang. Keith is enjoying his window seat. We got Josh, we got the gang. We got Tina up there. She's asleep already. We got Nicole, we got Dustin, and here we go. All right, you got the phone. So at the last race that Cletus came to in Port Angeles, I had this brilliant idea, right? What? It was brilliant.
Brilliant.
I had this idea because TJ was the owner of the 208 boat that Cletus drove both times this summer, and he wasn't even available to even go to that second race, and he still let Cletus drive the boat. And I thought, man, I got to pay TJ back somehow. Like, I got to come up with something. So while Cletus and Spicey Spence were at that race, we're sitting around the pit, and we said, hey, Cletus, what kind of events do you got coming up at the Freedom Factory? Right? Mm-hmm. What he said. He said what they did, all their, I don't even remember. Those guys are so busy.
He named off like 5 different things.
Yeah, he had like 5, that was in like September, and he's already done like 5 different events. And he said, Les Mullet is coming up in October. He said, I would recommend coming to that one. So we laid the groundwork, and we said, okay, well,
November though.
Oh, in November. Yeah, it's already November. So this is the big surprise is we decided and we went all in to take TJ to pay him back for letting Cletus drive the boat. We're taking TJ down to Tampa from Seattle, and we're going to take him to Les Mullet, and it's going to be an awesome weekend. And today's Tuesday. We're going down early because, for one, there's 12 of us Jolly Rogers that are going. We had to get everybody's work schedules like to mesh with that and time off. And by the way, we had to get TJ's work schedule, but it's a surprise. He doesn't even know he's going. So his girlfriend, fiance Noelle, she had to concoct this giant story about, we're going to do some team event in Seattle. Right? Like, I don't even know what the story was.
I don't know what the story was.
We don't even know the story. It was like some team meeting or something that's why they're coming here to Seattle. And they're supposed to be here like literally in about a half an hour.
And it was so important he had to leave work to come to
Yeah,
this
he had to
meeting.
take off this big chunk of work. We have this whole big lie coming. And we're about ready to break the lie and finally tell TJ that, dude, you're going to Tampa in the morning with 11 other Jolly Rogers, and we're going to go see Cletus and Spencer and the gang, and we're going to go to Les Mullet. So we're super stoked. I'm honestly glad we can just finally get the stupid secret out. I'm going to put the build series on hold for a while, but we're going to have some pretty cool stuff. I'm not even going to say what we're going to do because I don't know for sure what they're going to be able to do for us while we're there just because they're busy running that show. We're just excited and happy to be going. We don't care. We can sit in the stands and eat hot dogs the whole time. We don't care. So anyway, so stay tuned because our next scene is going to be literally TJ and Noelle. We're going to try to get them to sit right here. We've got cameras planted around. By the way, TJ is not good on camera. Like as soon as you put the camera on him, he like clams up and you can't get him to say a single word. So, oh God. We tried to, Cletus, I think, was trying to film him.
Yeah,
and
I think he went and hid.
He went and hid, literally. So we got to do hidden cameras. We got this fake charging station over there where the cameras are going to be rolling. So anyway, that's what this is going to be about. So this is step 1, explaining what's going on. Step 2, TJ and Noah are here. We're going to spring the surprise on them. Oh, and there's 2 surprises.
Yeah.
Today, we're only telling them that just the 4 of us are going down to Tampa. Tomorrow, they're going to meet the other 7 Jolly Rogers at the airport at the gate and say, surprise, bitch, all of us are going. So I'm super excited. Like, it's going to be fun. It's going to be chaotic because 12 of us are traveling. So
Yeah, and you gotta wrap it up. You're rambling, and they're gonna be here in like 5 minutes.
Oh shit, we got to go. Are those actually Cletus glasses? Mm-hmm. What's the deal with his glasses?
I was like, fuck it, I gotta get them. They're American flag and they're blue. I don't know if I like the square ones I got or not.
Well, they're fucking filthy. You can't even see them. You know what I want to get of Cletus' stuff? I want to get George No Bueno stuff.
Yeah.
That shit cracks me up.
I was hoping to get the nitrous one.
Yeah.
I didn't win the nitrous kit. That's what I was hoping for.
Win the nuts and bolts kit is what I wanted to do, but I'm like,
So I'm like, I
guess
have
gotta
in my
buy
cart
some.
stuff to buy for him for Christmas, and he gets a shipment. He's like, look what I got. I'm like, are you serious? I literally was gonna buy that stuff for you for Christmas. He's like, I was trying to win the nitrous.
He does the same thing.
It didn't
He'll be
work.
like,
You got your phone on you?
Y'all are the same.
Okay, I'm gonna text you. You gotta see this. Did you get it?
House is really pretty.
There it is.
Okay, check that out.
What, the plane ticket?
Yeah.
To TPA. Where the fuck's that?
Dude,
like type.
we're going to Tampa tomorrow. We're going to the Freedom Factory.
Are we really?
Yeah.
No fucking way. No fucking way.
Wait. That's your boarding pass.
Fucking hey, buddy.
Is that okay?
Fuck yeah.
Dude, we felt so bad that you weren't there. You weren't even there, and you let him use the boat. So I was like, we're at the pit, and I'm like, Cletus, what kind of stuff do you have coming up? Like, I know you got these events, and like, let's see. It's taking collaboration like no collaboration to fucking keep you out of the loop of all this shit. Noelle's been like, hey, we've been working together. Like, how do you ask for this time, but without telling why you need the time? It's been a pain in the ass. So
That did cross my mind, but like...
No, it didn't. No, it
didn't. It did.
Okay, well, we're going to fucking Tampa. That's your ride while you're down there. That's Spencer's truck.
No fucking way. I'm gonna have to clean up. I haven't shaved since fucking you drove my boat.
I thought we'd go out the north one because it's way better.
Yeah.
And we got a ton of time, so. Yeah. So, yo. All right, there's phase 2 of the surprise. Do you see the coordination that this took? Yeah. All right. Did you hear pancakes? No. Oh, we gotta go get pancakes.
Good morning.
Oh, we got the Jolly Roger reunion going. So, I feel like this needs a little explain. I can't even talk. Explaining. So we're gonna cut. Action. There's 3 phases. Phase 1 was Noelle, TJ, myself, and Tina went out to dinner. We splurged and we're going to go to Tampa. Phase 2 was we met Kelly, the crew chief, Don, Josh, and Jen at SeaTac this morning because they all live in the Seattle area while Kelly flew down last night. Phase 3, we still didn't know, or TJ did not know, that these guys were all coming over from Spokane and they had a 6 o'clock flight. So this next clip is we're boarding the plane to go to Tampa, and I gotta delay TJ somehow. Like, we gotta pump the brakes, we gotta hold them up because they're running over to the jetway. They parked at a different gate, they're running over, and we couldn't meet them up where we wanted to. So here they come, we're like, just hold up here, we're gonna get in the cockpit making some bullshit up. We're gonna give you little wings. We're gonna make you feel special and put you in the pilot seat, make you feel like a pilot.
Give you some special wings.
And so it worked. For that little 5-minute delay, here they come from their flight in Spokane, and TJ turns around, and that's where we're gonna leave off right now. He turns around and he's like, "Wait a minute, I know that too. That's my BFF. That's key." So here we go into that phase.
Hello.
We're stressed out. No, it's a long story. I'll tell you guys about it. Oh, that was We made it to our Airbnb. We are stoked. We just had Spencer over here. He was awesome. He brought his pizza from his favorite pizza place, and it was awesome, and it was spicy. So we are going to come in. We're going to see the Jolly Rogers teams, and we are in Tampa. And what are we doing tomorrow?
We're here for this guy. We're letting Cletus.
Going to check out Cletus' shop.
We're going to go to the shop.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Then the Freedom Factory.
We're going to see the gang. Hopefully, I want to meet the gang. I want to meet George. I want to meet all of them. James, Sam, everybody. Who's your favorite character? Who do you want to meet? Not character, but...
Jackson.
Jackson. You meet Jackson. Okay. Who else?
George.
Everyone. All right. We're excited. We're stoked to be here, and we're headed to Freedom Factory tomorrow. Woo!